What are smart rings?
Smart rings are small, wearable devices worn on your finger. They look like regular rings, but inside, they contain advanced sensors and technology. Designed for convenience, smart rings can track health data, receive notifications, and even make contactless payments. Their discreet design makes them a popular choice for people who want useful tech without bulky gadgets or screens.
How do smart rings track your health?
Many smart rings track health with built-in sensors that measure heart rate, blood oxygen, body temperature, and sleep quality. They collect this data while you wear the ring, then sync it to an app on your phone for easy analysis. Users can monitor their daily activity, sleep cycles, or stress levels, making it easier to spot trends and take action for better well-being.
Can smart rings replace other wearables?
Smart rings offer many features found in fitness trackers and smartwatches, like step counting and health monitoring. However, they usually don't have screens and provide limited interactions. While they excel at being discreet and comfortable, they might not fully replace devices with large displays, like smartwatches, if you need detailed notifications or apps on your wrist.
What everyday tasks do smart rings help with?
Besides tracking health, smart rings can help with daily routines by vibrating for calls or texts, enabling tap-to-pay transactions, or unlocking smart locks. Some rings even offer gesture controls, letting you pause music or control smart home devices with a simple motion. Their main appeal is making small but helpful tasks easier, without reaching for your phone.
What should you know before buying a smart ring?
Before choosing a smart ring, consider comfort, battery life, phone compatibility, water resistance, and which features matter most to you. Some are designed mainly for fitness tracking, while others focus on payments or notifications. Reading user reviews and checking ring sizing guides can help you find the best fit for your needs and lifestyle.